In this video, we will look at how to find the surface area of prisms and pyramids. The first example we have is a rectangular prism. To find the surface area of the rectangular prism, we essentially find the area of each individual shape from the net. I'm going to start here with the 6 by 3 rectangle. The 6 by 3 rectangle is going to be equal to 18. I also can see that the 6 by 3 rectangle is repeated here in the middle. So this will also be equal to 18. Next, I have this longer piece here in the middle. This is a 2 by 6. So that would be equal to 12, which also matches the other longer piece over here. 2 by 6 equaling 12. The last few are 2 by 3s, and they are both here at the top. 2 by 3 is equal to 6. And this one here at the bottom is also equal to 6. So now all I have to do is add these numbers together. 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 18 plus 18. All of these areas added together give me a total of 72 centimeters squared. The next shape we have is a pyramid. A pyramid in this case is a square pyramid where the base is a square and the 4 faces are a triangle. Let's go ahead and talk about the base. The base has sides that are equal to one another. They're all 5 by 5. So the base is 25 centimeters squared. The triangles we will find by multiplying base times the height. Notice the height is equal to 9. So we're going to do 5 times 9. And then since it's a triangle, we'll divide that by 2. So that would be 45 divided by 2. And we get 22.5. So to add all of these together, we'll start with our base. Our base is 25. And we have 4 of the same faces. So 22.5 added together 4 times, or you can do 22.5 times 4. 22.5 times 4 is 90, and then added with the 25 gives us 115 centimeters squared. Finding the surface area of 3D shapes using their nets is almost like finding the composite shapes area because you have 2 or more shapes put together.